Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today on the channel we are making pasta, a very simple pasta recipe. And first we'll bring the water to boil, and after that you add in your pasta. I like this zigzag looking twisted Combino pasta kind of a thing than the others, so I prefer to use this. You boil this for 7 to 10 minutes depending on how much soft you want it. Next, add your oil, onion, carrot and bouillon cube. I like to put the bouillon cube right into the oil and everything else and not into the sauce, because I don't know, for some reason it tastes better when you put everything, because the onions and everything swallow the spices. Next, you add minced meat. If you are not a minced meat person or you do not eat meat, please skip this step. You can also use chicken or any other kind of animal you have in your house. And then you cook this for about 2 minutes just for it to be properly cooked. And after that, I'll add mushrooms and all other vegetables. So next is the peas and also the olives. When you just mix all of this together, you can also add more of your spices if you feel like this is not enough for you. After adding this, you have your freshener, tomato puree. You pour that into that and just mix it up, and everything is going on nicely. The good thing about this is that the pasta is already cooking on the other side, so this makes this really fast. I think I spent basically like 15 minutes. Don't forget your chili, Yoruba girl and a chili, and mix everything together as nicely as possible. So I don't know, some people like their pasta soft, some like it medium, some like it hard. I don't know. Even this sauce, you can already eat it with rice. But we are doing pasta today, so here we are. You want to divide the sauce into two, just in case you don't have a big pan like myself, so that the pasta is not overflowing and then everything is not well blended. So you divide it into two and then put more of the sauce as required. And basically this is just it. Very simple stuff. It takes you about 15 to 20 minutes. Instant breakfast, and that is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.